What's the meaning of amphetamine? Amphetamine. 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 Amphetamine.
Amphetamine is a powerful stimulant drug that affects the central nervous system. It increases the release of neurotransmitters such as dopamine and norepinephrine, leading to heightened alertness, arousal, and energy. The effects of amphetamine can vary depending on the dose, route of administration, and individual response. Short-term effects include increased heart rate, blood pressure, and body temperature, decreased appetite, and feelings of euphoria. Long-term use can lead to addiction, psychosis, cardiovascular problems, and other health issues. Overall, amphetamine has a potent and potentially harmful impact on the mind and body.